Hello friends, welcome to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Sarkun Elite Shark CS700 Premium PC case. So friends, Sarkun has launched the Sarkun Elite Shark CS700 Premium case with an open frame design. So friend, its both side panels are made of tempered glass and cooling fan is equipped with an addressable RGB LED fan with a front 120mm into 2 and a top 120mm into 3 dimensions as standard. And friend, additionally a 120mm into 3 cooling fan can be added to the side, and radiator can have a maximum of 360mm into 2 of surface area. And friend, each drive bay has two 3.5-inch bays, 6 2.5-inch bays and 7 expansion slots. And friend, each effective space measures 475mm in total length for the graphics card, 195mm in depth for the power supply unit, and 165mm in total height for the CPU cooler. And friend, IO ports include a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and audio terminal and microphone terminal. And friend, the external dimensions are 250mm wide, 632mm deep, and 670mm tall. And friend, it will be comes with a weight of 17 kg. And friend, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX form factors are all supported. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the product will be comes with 1 year warranty and price for 369 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.